So this is how to transfer data from ChatGPT to Claude, and this is the fastest and the easiest way. So first, let's come into Claude and come to the lower left, click on this, and click on Settings. And then let's click on Capabilities. And then you should see here, Import Memory from other AI providers. And let's come here to click on Start Import. And then you will see this prompt here. So let's take this prompt, click on Copy, and let's go to ChatGPT. So here we are in ChatGPT, and then we can just paste that prompt here. So this is basically the prompt that's going to help you export all the stored memories and any context that ChatGPT have on you in the past conversations. So let's hit enter. And after the output and the code is generated here, we can just click on copy. And let's come back to Claude. And then just paste the memory details here. And then just click on add to memory. And that's how you transfer your data from ChatGPT into Claude.